Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add a text box to your documents and spreadsheets on Google Sheets. So let us jump right into it. So guys, as you can see, I added a test text box like this here to my document. So let me undo that really quickly and show you how you can do that yourself. So here on Google Sheets, head over to Insert at the top and hover your mouse over Drawing and select Drawing. And after that, you'll be redirected to that drawing tool here. So here you may select the text box at the top and place it here below, like for example here, release your left mouse and after that you will see your text box. So now fill it with text. So let me type in something like test text 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. And you may, for example, customize your text by changing the font size, by applying bold letters, italic letters, underline letters, by changing the font, and so on and so forth. You may also add borders to your text box by clicking on that button here, for example, and select the border thickness, or you may add a background color to your text box here. So let me go, for example, with yellow. And that's basically it, guys. Now you can, for example, click on Save and Close here in the top right corner to apply the given text box. And now you can move it freely around here on your document, just like that, resize it, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you add a text box on Google Sheets. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.